What's poppin', guys? It's Dynamite, and today I'll discuss the 3 different types of Jersey Club music. Over the years, while I was still DJing, I noticed there's 3 main different types of Jersey Club music, and those were booty bounce music, regular Jersey Club, and there was the Cypher. Booty bounce music usually ranges from 130 BPM to 140. The older generations of Jersey Club producers usually would stay around this range, and their favorite BPM would be 138. Then there would be the regular types of Jersey Club. The regular types of Jersey Club ranges from 140 BPM to 157. Now the reason why I say it's called regular because it's mostly heard today, and there's no barrier for what this type of Jersey Club is. It's just called Jersey Club. That's why I call it the regular. And there's the Cypher Jersey Club. Cypher Jersey Club usually ranges from 157 BPM and higher. There's no really cap on how fast you can go, but going too fast will sound really weird. Now with the Cypher Jersey Club, it has a lot of chops, and basically the whole track is just full of chops, but creative chops and different transitions and how each chop transitions to the next chop. Now I have 6 different tracks. I'll speak about how each one sounds from each other and how each type of Jersey Club track relates to each other. Now I'll first play Albyy's, Homeless Boys, and DJ Webtwerk's Dancing. That's what we would consider booty bounce. There's different types of booty bounce music, but now next I'll play what you'd say is more common Jersey Club. Now I'll play my, I could never say this name, this Bad Bunny track that I remixed. That's common Jersey Club that you'd hear today, but like with booty bounces, different types of regular Jersey Club. I have another track that's in that same range but slightly different. This is from Prodigy. Now that's it for the regular Jersey Club. Now I'll demonstrate Cypher. This is from Nassie.
Great low rate you can get online. Go to the general and say something.
Now you can notice that there was lots and lots of chops that Nassie included. Nassie's really known for his chops. Now I have another track by, also it's hard for me to pronounce her name. She produced this track called GT40 and she fuses future-based music in Jersey Club. Now you wouldn't really call this Cypher music, but it's also in that range. This, what I like to call experimental Jersey Club, fusing different genres with Jersey Club to get a special result. Now I made something of an experimental Jersey Club in the past. I kind of call this like alternative club. It's more of a darker feel. I'll play for you now. It's called What You Want.
It's Dynamite.
Now this track, it falls into the regular range of Jersey Club, but it's not your typical Jersey Club. Jersey Club's more energetic. This is a lot more darker. And that's it for today's videos. Just discussing the 3 different types of Jersey Club music. Stay tuned for more videos, and tomorrow's video will be a Cypher demonstration how to produce Jersey Club Cypher music. I've been getting asked how to make that for a while now. See you guys tomorrow.